All right. So what I'm cooking now today is this is pork, fried pork. Pretty much pork meat in some good herbs, the Indian herbs, garlic, turmeric powder, ginger, coriander, cumin powder, chili powder, black pepper, salt. Um, so that's that. So that's cooked. This is I'm making greens. So to make greens, I put some garlic, some onion, some salt, and this is the pork bone that I got from the pork. So that's the pork, and I got the bone. When I bought the pork, I like to buy the whole uh, piece of the pork where it has the bone and all that, even the fat, because it's good. So I took the meat out of the bone, using the meat for greens. That's the green. The meat has been cooking for about 20 minutes. I mean, the bone has been cooking for 20 minutes with the onion and garlic and salt. Now I'm going to put the greens in there, just like that. And then I'm going to put a lid and let it go down. So when the moisture goes back in the water, it will go down. Put a lid like that, push it in, and then I can get some more of this. Put it in there. There we go. It's a very healthy meal. All right. It's all healthy meal, keeps you very fit. All right. Okay. So now what we do, so the pork fry is ready for the greens with the bone cooking. This can cook for about 45 minutes. So the bones and the greens will get really mixed up very well with the flavor. Now that is chickpea. I'm making hummus. To make hummus, you need to soak chickpea overnight. Next day, when you see the chickpea is almost sprouting, that is when it has the highest amount of energy in the piece. And you take the chickpea and cook it in Instapot or stove top for about 20 minutes or so. Once the chickpea is cooked, to make hummus, you have to make tahini, which is sesame seed. You take sesame seed and fry it up in a pan and grind it up like a paste. So this is a sesame seed paste, and you can use olive oil. It should be virgin olive oil, so it's not heat processed. And then once you cook that piece, you grind it up in the blender. Once it's blend, you put it in a blender, right? And then you mix tahini. I've already put tahini in there. Then you put a little bit of garlic. You see, just like that. A little bit of garlic, lime juice or lemon juice. I use lime juice. I like lime juice better. Right there. Okay. So that has lime juice, garlic. I put a little bit extra or a little bit more olive oil. All right. So now this is good to go. You blend it up in the blender for just a few minutes, about 3 minutes or so, because already blended. The chickpea was already blended. Then you have the hummus. That's it. So very easy, huh? But it's very nutritious. This is very healthy food. So you have the pork fry, greens with the bones in it, cooking. You're making hummus, which is chickpea pretty much, and soaked chickpea ground with tahini, which you make with sesame seed, garlic, and lime juice or lemon juice, olive oil. You're good to go. Very healthy food.